Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today we will take a look at this inverse head and shoulder pattern that has been formed on the 4-hourly time frame chart, and we will also take a look at this very strong resistance level of $40,000. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this inverse head and shoulder pattern that I was showing you in my last video. This was the left shoulder. This was the head of the pattern. And here I was telling you that we may have a drop for the formation of the right shoulder. Now we have a slight drop and the price line dropped at $38,200, and after that we are moving up. Now we need to break out this neckline of the head and shoulder pattern that we have here, approximately at $40,000. And if the price line breaks out this neckline, then we can expect a big move from here. If I place this trend line here at the breakout point, then we can see our target can be here at approximately $46,000. Now, if the price line breaks out this neckline of the head and shoulder pattern, then definitely it is also going to break out this next resistance of $40,000 as well. By the way, right now I am on the daily time frame, and we can see that we have already broken out this very big down channel, and we have already tested this support of $36,300, and we have a very strong support here at $33,000. And now after testing the support of $36,600, we are moving up and breaking out the next resistance of $40,000 in this red line, that is the exponential moving average 21. Therefore, even though it is a small time frame, 4-hourly time frame chart, but this breakout on this small time frame chart will be very important for any big move, and we need to break out this resistance of $40,000 for any big move from here. Target for this down channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $68,000. Therefore, these are really very important movements. The price line of Bitcoin is moving towards this resistance of that is the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern, and this resistance of $40,000. And we need to keep an eye on this breakout. You can see that for the long term, this level has been working as a strong support and resistance previously as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.